Again, come here. Who is your hero? No, it's Jesus Christ, your hero. Come here. Hold that water. Come here, come here. Here. Come here. Come here, you will be hospitalized. Yeah, you have a fever, that's why you have to drink medicine. Come here. Sit down. This is strawberry flavor. You want to be hospitalized and they will inject you here. Okay, come here. Let's try it. Come here. Let's try.
I'm too scared.
Don't be scared. Can you kiss mommy so you won't be scared? Mm. Another one. No, please. You swallow it. You swallow. Ay! I want you to be hospitalized.
Sorry. It's my fault.
Yes, another one. Can you please?
So scary.
No. You drink it. So you won't be hospitalized again. You swallow it. Naku naman. Can you please? Can you swallow it immediately? Hmm? Here, here. Ah, 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 ah. Swallow it, swallow. Swallow it.
Don't sleep.
Okay. I will... Okay. Ayan. Mm. Yes, yes. But you have to drink this first. Wait, another one. What's the taste?
Strawberry.
Is it yummy? Okay.
Done.
Another one.
I'm done now. Where's mom? Where's mom? Please.
Are you better now? Wait, are you sick?
I got sleep.
Wait for a while. Wait for...
It's my hero. I'm my hero, mommy.
You don't have to go and that. Okay.
It's
Why do you? Okay. Hi, Kin.
Because it's not going to school.
You're not going to school. Don't cry.
Ay, wala akong baon.
Ano? Kailangan mo pa bang magbaon?
Seven.
Always traffic here
Yeah.
at Golden Key. Huwag kang tatambay din nila, Gigwin, ha? Ayaw ko nang natambay ang aking anak.
So, sige na iwanan sa tiyan na.
Bay, oo naman. Katatapos lamang ng flag ceremony. Good morning. Happy Monday morning. Siya yun. Punta na ulit ako sa barangay. Back to paglalakad, exercise. Tingnan natin kung matatapos ko ang 10,000 steps today. Tingnan ko nga kung anong ilang steps na ako. Wala pala. So tingnan natin. Monday, ako ay lalabas. So, mamayang hapon ay dito ako sa Pilmes. So, si Bunso, hindi nakapasok. Hindi na ako nakapag-video na madaling araw lang nalagnat si Bunso. After noon, hindi na kasi nga busy. Hindi ko kayang mag-video. Malilate kami lalo. So, bye for now. Bibili muna ako ng kape sa 7-Eleven. Katahimik ngayon ang aming barangay. Walang mga naglalaro. Ating learner ay bumili pa ng aming kakainin. Meron na dalawa. Kulang na lang ng isa. So naglakad ako mula 7-Eleven hanggang sa may malapit sa Save More. Doon kasi ang sakayan. So ayun, exercise na ulit. Hindi ko mahala. Ay 2,000 mahigit ang naging steps ko. Matatapos ko kaya 10,000 steps a day? Dapat lang. Okay, see you later. Yan, lakad doon sa baba. Tapos, akyat sa hagdan. Yes, thank you. Habang o. Hindi kayo nilalamig? Okay. Number 1. Ano kaya? Reach the top ang nakalagay? Malay nyo. Hindi naman alam. Yan ko nga. Okay. Number 1. F. False. Number 2. True. Number 1. F. Number 2. T. Ha? Ano ba?
True or false?
TF. Eh, ano na? T. Hindi. F pala.
False. Yeah.
Number 2, T. Number 3, F. Number 4, T. Number 5, F. Number 6 and 7, T. 8, 9, 10, false. Hoy, Joy, itapon mo yon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Crush ko talaga ang jacket mo. Magkano yan? Magkano yan? Kala ko binili mo sa Shopee. Sabi mura lang daw. Ang cute kasi ng kulay. Yes, we're uwian na. Tapos na kami. Maaga kami. Dahil maagang aalis yung aking isang learner. Dahil pupunta pa ng ibaan. Lunch break. And then, balik sa Pilmed. Ay, grabe ang init, singkar. So, pauwi muna. Lunch break. Iwanan ko na si Bunso.
Dad, it's even better.
Iwanan ko na si Bunso. Dahil napakainit sa classroom.
Run, Mommy.
Oh. Go.